Welcome to Coveñas. It's a place located within Gulf of Morrosquillo in the department of Sucre. It's a historic area visited for its beautiful beaches and landscapes, its typical rock, its pleasant climate which is degrees 7 degrees. In summer season we also have places of nature resort that must be visited. 3 day duration. The first day you can enjoy the sun, the scent of the sea, and we will be touring the sea in canoe too typical. Each shell of the flight and taking tour of the tourist sign. Mix of transportation. You can travel by private car, public bus, or motorcycle. Activities to do. On the first, the user enjoy the water, get shots, and getting on the Friday work tie to the boat and taking and reading on the sea and to see the sunset in the witch in afternoon.